In modern precision manufacturing, traditional welding methods like MIG and TIG are increasingly hitting their limits. High heat input warps materials, and throughput relies heavily on rare, highly skilled labor. Today, let's talk about why laser welding is completely redefining the manufacturing landscape. The core engineering advantages of laser welding boil down to 5 critical pillars. Precision. Micrometer-level focus delivers flawlessly accurate, high-quality welds. Minimal distortion. Highly concentrated thermal energy minimizes the heat-affected zone, preventing material warping. Speed. It offers significantly faster processing cycles compared to traditional methods. Automation. It integrates seamlessly with advanced robotics and CNC infrastructure for lights-out manufacturing. Versatility. It easily welds an incredibly wide range of materials and distinct thicknesses. Subscribe to Suntop Laser Machine for more industrial insights, and comment below to optimize your welding line today.